Hi friends, welcome back to Miss Annette's Preschool. Today we're going on a super exciting alphabet adventure. We're going to play I Spy. Here's how it works. I'll say a letter and then a screen will pop up with lots of pictures. Your job is to find all the things that start with that letter. Are you ready? Great, let's go. Do you know what letter that is? A. A says A and A. Can you find 3 objects that begin with A or A? Alligator, A, apron. You found 3 objects that begin with A and A. Great job! Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? It's B. B says B. Can you find 3 objects that begin with B? Bubbles, bed, baby. Great job! Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? C. C says K. Can you find 3 objects that begin with K? Cupcake, car, cat. Great job. Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? D, that's right. D says D. Can you find 3 objects that begin with D? Dolphin, dinosaur, dice. Good job! Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? E. E is a vowel, so it says 2 sounds, E and E. Can you find objects that begin with those sounds? Ear, egg, elephant. Great job! That one's a little bit tricky, huh? Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? F. That's right. F says F. Can you find 3 objects that begin with F? frog, fruit, feather. Great job finding all those objects that begin with F. Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? G. That's right. G says G. Can you find 3 objects that begin with G? Goat, grass, grapes. Great job! Here's our next letter. What's that letter? H. That's right. H says H. Can you find 3 objects that begin with H? Hand, hat, horse. Great job! Here is our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? I. I is a vowel, so it says 2 sounds. I and I. Can you find 3 objects that begin with those sounds? Ice, island, igloo. Great job! Here's our next letter. Do you know what letter that is? J. That's right. J says J. Can you find 3 objects that begin with J? Jellyfish, juice, jam. Yay, great job! You did such a great job helping me with I Spy. Thank you for helping. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time.